With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Question is, a ball of mass m moving with speed 2v0 collide head-on with an identical ball at rest. If E the coefficient of restitution, then what will be the ratio of velocity of two balls after collision? Let's find out. By conservation of momentum, m into 2v0 plus 0 equal to mv1 plus mv2. So v1 plus v2 equal to 2v0, right? And if E is the coefficient of restitution, that is velocity of separation after collision divided by velocity of approach before collision. This is v2 minus v1 divided by 2v0 minus 0. So v2 minus v1 equal to 2ev0. And when we solve first and second, solving 1 and 2, we get v1 equal to v0 into 1 minus e. After adding and subtracting 2 times, then we get v1 is equal to this and v2 becomes 1 plus e. So therefore ratio of velocities after collision is v1 divided by v2 equal to 1 minus e divided by 1 plus e. So we can say that option number A is correct. Right?
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.